Today I am reviewing the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Smart Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. What really sets the Tineco Floor ONE S5 apart is its innovative iLoop smart sensor technology. This sensor detects the amount of dirt on your floor in real time and automatically adjusts the suction power, water flow, and brush roller speed. This means it delivers just the right amount of cleaning power depending on the mess, whether it's light dust or stubborn sticky residue, so you never waste water or battery power. It's a smart, efficient way to clean without any guesswork. Speaking of cleaning power, the exclusive brush roller on this model is designed to clean right up against baseboards and get into those tricky corners where dirt and dust tend to hide. Unlike traditional mops or vacuums, the Floor ONE S5 ensures your hard floors are spotless and dry within minutes, without streaks or leftover grime. That makes it perfect for homes with hardwood, tile, laminate, or stone floors. One of the biggest upgrades in this version is the larger clean water tank. It's about 30% bigger than the previous generation. This means you can clean bigger areas without having to stop and refill, which is great for busy families or larger spaces. Plus, the dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate at all times, so you're always mopping with fresh water and cleaning solution. This prevents redepositing dirt back on your floors, a problem some traditional mops have. Maintenance is often the pain point with vacuum mop combos, but Tineco makes it hassle-free with its hands-free, self-cleaning function. After you're done cleaning, just press a button and the Floor ONE S5 flushes out the brush roller and tubing automatically, removing dirt and hair so you don't have to touch anything dirty. This feature not only saves time, but also keeps your machine working efficiently longer. For pet owners, there's also a pet hair strainer, which makes it easy to remove fur from the roller without extra effort. The device is cordless and comes with a 3-in-1 docking station that neatly stores and charges your vacuum, so it's always ready to go without cluttering your space. The whole design is space-saving and modern, fitting nicely into any home setup. Overall, the Tineco Floor ONE S5 is an intelligent, powerful, and user-friendly solution for anyone wanting spotless, streak-free hard floors without the hassle. Its smart sensors, powerful cleaning capabilities, large water tanks, and easy maintenance features make it stand out in the crowded vacuum market. If you have pets, sticky messes, or just want a smart vacuum mop combo that does the work for you, the Floor ONE S5 is definitely worth considering.